Hari Om. Welcome to day 11 of the series of Asato Maa. We dwell again on the third line of the mantra, Mrityor Maa, Amritam Gamaya. From death, lead us to immortality. In Vedanta, it is explained that nothing really ends. Even this law that we saw, whatever has a beginning has to have an end. When we look at it from a different point of view, we see our bodies come into being, and they come into being made up of food. And when the bodies are dropped, the body decomposes to become the elements again, earth returning to earth, and over a due course of time, once again becomes a plant and food. A seed becomes a plant becomes a flower, the flower becomes a fruit. Each thing ends, but actually it just changes to become something else. Water becomes the clouds, and the clouds become rain, and the rain becomes a river. Each thing ends, but it doesn't really. It transforms to be the next thing. Therefore, Mrityu is seen as not an end, but change, an ending of one stage of transformation. The thing remains, but is transformed to the next stage. This can be most reassuring to us when we think of death. Death is not an end. It is just the concluding of one phase and the beginning of another. Our death means we continue. However, we do have to face the continuous changes, and that can bring about its own strains. Therefore, Mrityor Maa, Amritam Gamaya. From death, lead us to immortality, can also be seen as from the changing, lead us to the changeless. In the changing, there is restlessness, tension, strain, fear, adjusting. In the changeless, there is stillness and peace. When we understand this, then meditating on the mantra can be so much more meaningful and transforming. Let us begin. Sit up straight with your back, neck, and head in a straight line. Relax your shoulders and rest your hands on your lap. Relax all the muscles on your face and gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and softly breathe out. Remember the divine and your guru. The divine is that which is changeless, beginningless, and endless. It is ever still and ever peaceful. Invoke this mood of divinity in your meditation today. Let us chant the mantra. Om Asato Maa Sadgamaya Tamaso Maa Jyotir Gamaya Mrityor Maa Amritam Gamaya. You can repeat the mantra and reflect on the meaning. Mrityor Maa Amritam Gamaya. Instead of seeing death as an end, see the constant changes that surround us. Be aware of the changes within even your own body and mind from moment to moment. Within the change, there is a changeless. For the next moment or so, become aware of the changeless. The changeless is what allows the changes to take place. In the seat of meditation, we recognize the changeless in and amongst all the changing. And let your mind be completely absorbed in the changeless. Throughout the day, let the mind return to the beautiful meaning of the mantra and continue to be aware of the changing and the changeless. May we be led from the changing to the changeless. Asato Maa Sadgamaya, Tamaso Maa Jyotir Gamaya, Mrityor Amritam Gamaya. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.